This is the Neutrik XLR 3-pin right-angle female solder connector. The right-angle XLR 3-pin connector is used on many types of XLR audio-video cable. XLR connectors are commonly used on stage lighting equipment and professional video and audio equipment, such as microphones. The right-angle boot with polyurethane gland gives high protection to cable bending stress that allows for flexibility. The unique cage design of female contact for low contact resistance and improved chuck-type strain relief provides higher pull-out force and makes assembly easier and faster. Turn your audio game up to 11 with the Neutrik XLR 3-pin right-angle female solder connector. For more information on our products, please contact our customer service department at 888-519-9505. For all your cable and connector needs, choose Show Me Cables.